What is an oxymoron? Oxymoron is a phrase usually consisting of two words that are complete opposites of each other. For example, deafening silence is an oxymoron because deafening is something that is too loud and silence is, of course, representing something that is silent. In cynical politics, whenever someone uses the term honest politician, people say that it is an oxymoron because they think that an honest politician is a rare phenomenon. If a person known for his insincerity claims that he is a sincere person, some people may react as Ravish Kumar is a sincere person is an oxymoron. Another example is Hell's Angel, which combines two contradictory entities because angels are known to exist in heaven, not hell. In cultures where women don't live without the company of a man, you may come across a sentence like, these five women are living alone. Theoretically, this statement is an oxymoron because how can five women living together be alone? But what the sentence really means is that these five women are living without a man in the house. Therefore, an oxymoron can be a phrase consisting of just two opposite words, or there can be a complete sentence whose meaning may sound like an oxymoron. An oxymoron can exist in spirit, in the form of the meaning of the sentence, or it can exist as a pair of words that are complete opposite to each other. If a lazy person says that he is hardworking, you can say that you working hard is an oxymoron. Some more oxymoron examples. Original copy. A copy is always a duplicate, so there is no thing as original copy and hence it is an oxymoron. Pretty ugly. You must have come across this expression, it looks pretty ugly. Although it means something that is overwhelmingly ugly or unpleasant to look at, paired with pretty, it becomes an oxymoron. Thunderous silence. A silence that is so intense that it feels loud. Living Dead. You must have heard of the movie The Night of the Living Dead. It's an oxymoron because how can the dead be living? Conspicuous with his absence. Someone is noticeably absent. Everyone is noticing and talking about his absence. In case you don't know the meaning of conspicuous, it means something that is very noticeable or easy to see. Something that stands out. Open secret. Something that is not supposed to be known, but it is known to everyone. Old news. News is always supposed to be something latest. So if you say old news, it becomes an oxymoron. Sweet revenge. Revenge is supposed to cause misery, not sweetness. Therefore, the phrase is an oxymoron. Here are some sentences containing oxymorons. Because of the deafening silence in the room, I could hear my own heartbeat. The comedian's act was seriously funny, leaving the audience in stitches. She described her feelings towards the ending of the movie as a bittersweet joy. The quiet noise of the forest at night always helped her relax and fall asleep. She found herself in a crowded solitude on the busy, yet somehow lonely streets of the city. The idea of a civil war always struck him as a particularly cruel oxymoron. He lived a life of luxury in poverty, owing little but experiencing the world richly. I hope you have understood the meaning of oxymoron. As I have explained, it can be a pair of words that are opposite to each other, or it can be a sentence that may communicate something but actually meaning something else. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon so that you receive updates whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.